Now, I will explain how to set up the game Ikari Warrior to work with the GRS Super Joystick in Batocera. First, press and hold A to enter the Game Settings menu, then go to Advanced Game Options. Check and confirm that the emulator is MAME 0139, MAME 2010, and then press B to exit. Next, press A to enter the game. Now, we will switch the joystick's mode to keystroke mode. Press the Mode plus Joystick button 2B for 3 seconds, until the light turns green. Then, bring out your keyboard and press Tab to enter the MAME menu. Go to Input, this game. We'll first map the Start and Coin buttons. Then map the joysticks up, down, left, and right, as well as buttons 1 and 2. Make sure Positional Analog is set to None. When mapping Positional Analog deck, rotate the knob 1 notch counterclockwise. When mapping Positional Analoging, rotate the knob 1 notch clockwise. At this point, we've completed the button mapping. Now let's go back to the previous page. Then, enter Analog Controls. Here, we need to ensure that Positional Digital Speed is set to 0 and Positional Sensitivity is set to 100. This completes all the settings. Press Tab on the keyboard to exit the main menu. We can now start the game. All joystick controls are now perfectly aligned with the game. Enjoy your game to the fullest.